So first you're going to start out by signing in or creating an account on My Disney Experience. Then you get to go to your cart to buy your tickets and your resort tickets or whatever you need. Then go to your profile so we can make some Fastpasses. So select Make New Selections, New Fastpass Plus. Select everyone who's going that day. If no one's in your party, that's okay. I'll show you how to add people later. Select your day and your park that you're going to. Then select up to 3 attractions that you want to FastPass. Then choose the best option based on FastPass times and press Done. Then if anything happens, you can update or cancel your FastPasses. And if no one's in your party, you go to your profile and add a guest in the corner and add their names and buy them a ticket.